Good afternoon. This is my third attempt. It's Friday, February the 10th or 11th, I think. And so this is the second installment of the Relocation Platform Technology, earthquake resistant, earthquake proof technology for the times that we're coming into, because it's going to be a lot of shaking going on. So this is the 1,700 square foot platform they're going to be using to build the center staging for the micro camps. So these are the micro camps here. There's 6 of them, right? At various sizes. And so the size of the micro camps is going to determine the size of the macro centers. I've changed the macro camps to macro centers so they don't get messed up with the micro camps. And pretty nifty design. So this would be a, we're going to count up the panels on this. I can do it the long way. 1728. We know that's going to be the size. Divide by 48. 48 square feet in each one of the hexagonal platforms, so it's 36 it comes out to. And so we're going to actually count up the physical platforms. So we got 1 plus 7, 1, 7, in the third ring we got 12, plus 12 gives us 20, and then we're going to add another 12 to that, gives us an H32. So this here is an H32, a 1728 RPT platform. Or, yeah. Okay. So I did a print. I printed this off. So this is the printed version here, right? So what I want to do is draw in the floor plan, and I was going to show you the next size up. I think this is a couple scales up, an H56, just give me a minute. 8, 8, 16, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 across times 4, 28 foot across squared times 3, 2352 square feet on the hexagonal. And hang on. I have to redo this again. You'll get a little bit of a visual of what it's going to be like to live under one of these domes with the RP Relocation Platform Technology. Right? So what did I say? 7 across times 4 foot, 28 squared times 3, 22,352 square feet. We're going to divide that by 48. We get 49. And so we need to minus 6. So that'd be an R43. So this is an R32. And this here is an R43. just so you can see it here. Hopefully the capture is going to be good. So this here floor plan I may be able to use for the R43 and the R32, okay? And so if you look at the center, 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 feet up from center, that's actually your kitchen area and things like that. And then around this periphery, this is made for like a sleeping quarters, right? So what you would do is you would take off about an 8-foot perimeter all the way around. That would be your R32, okay? Really nice layout. Really nice layout. It's a very diverse. And on this one here, I'll probably use it for, I can show you here. You'll probably use it as a staging area or a center hub for the center of the macro center. Macro camp, macro center, right? So everybody has a place where they can come and eat. Around 36 to 40 people in each one of these. And in the center, this is the main gathering point where everybody can come together. That's the reason for the larger scale, okay? And I think I'm going to go with that. So this R43 would go into the center here, maybe the center staging area. That does that. And I think what I might do is go on to part 3 on this. I don't really want to start demonstrating the how the relocation platform technology goes together to build your various levels. That's going to go under the dome. Fully earthquake proof. If it can be 3D printed off, that'd be great. And but you'll have a 3-level or maybe a 4-level complex. The R32 would be at least 2-level with the upper atrium, or a 3-level where you could have an upper atrium on the very top level. Then on the let's see if I can actually do a size comparison here. Do I have one of those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm missing. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to have to make up one. So that's your R32 and R43. Now it's not the shape is a little bit different, but you can see the size configuration. So I'm going to leave it here. Any questions, comments, please get back to me. Oh, that dog. Hey, that's enough. It didn't work. So I think I'm going to leave it here. You can get back to me on this. The times you're going into, people, we're at the same time where in the time of Noah, that God's going to destroy the earth, not by water, but by fire. And the reason is that during the time of Noah, God destroyed the earth by the first time because of the giants that polluted mankind. And the same thing is true today. That the Nephilim, the offspring of the fallen angels, they've used genetics to replicate the Nephilim, right? The offspring, the fallen offspring. Because of that, God's going to destroy the earth in fire. Well, He's going to preserve, in the same way that God preserved Noah by building an ark. Now these ark communities, this is what these are. See if I grab a picture here. I'm going to just show you. So this is a picture of an ark, the modern day ark, right? That could be 60 acres or so. And God's going to preserve a people, the righteous people within these arks or places of refuge. And so I started, the Lord first called me to start building, teaching me the isometric geometric concept back in the summer of 1987. So I've got many years invested in this, and now I get to teach it to you guys. So I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to come back with part 3 on the RPT technology and show you how this floor system goes together to build the multi-staging housing initiative.